advocate fadzemaire vaya vachidya magaka mambishi avaya vachidya mhiripiri dzinovava pamusoro vaona kuti vakomana vananiku mangwana vari mamisplaced priority. Pana paniku mangwana ano yachiposta this video yamuri kuona ejo pamona track yamuri kuona iri kucleana the road abuda achinyora achiti in this short clip you are looking at Joe Pamona truck sweeping the streets in Borodale with the vendors relocated to designated areas and illegal rubbish dumps being cleared. The efforts to improve the outlook of our cities and organize its functions is on course. Sanabina mashoko auya panapa chipoto nowakomana ma-advocate not to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. But nyaso kuteka a look on this street, it is already clean and the kurazot ku Borodale paipacho pamukagoda kuinspector mavendors pamwechete nemarara kuBorodale panapa maira mudanyora chiti good day Nick Mangwana, what nonsense is this? How can you sweep a clean road? Why don't you go to proper dumps in densely populated areas where the rubbish is never collected? Who is paying for this? How much is being paid? Who are the shareholders or beneficiaries of this forced operation? In terms of what law are they operating? Why is the function of Harare City Council, to whom we pay rates, being usurped? Why don't you stop interfering with the operations of council and allow them to do their job instead of crippling them so you take over through dodgy contracts? Do you think it's sensible to arbitrarily give vendors 48 hours to vacate your streets when they have no livelihood because of your incompetency in running the economy? Which designated areas are you talking about? Who did you consult before embarking on this cruelty tomfully? Do mashkwamdanyu kwa panapa nalugefadza maire amwangu kuzvinzira pega aradza kuti mablows ari kukwanda una Nick Mangwana. I don't think anatombo reply kune this post ndoda kuti aiwonyas kuexposa aiwa incompetence aiwa ivakomana ava. Tunze mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pechitwechi nakumesection medu udze mafunguro enyu so subscribe or like turn on the bell icon.